been a couple of years, and I think it's a big achievement for me to finish on 300 games. Finish 300 games in my career. I think it's a huge honor. You know, when I started playing for India, I was just happy just playing one game for India. That would have been a big achievement for me. But it's come a long way. It's been ups and downs, and I'm proud of myself that I've come through and still managed to get to 300. At one stage, I was thinking that whether I'm going to play or no again, but yeah, come a long way.
यूवी आपके लिए क्या मायने हैं और क्या एक्सपेक्ट करेंगे खुद को देना इस बड़े जैसे कहा कि एक माइलस्टोन है सबके लिए और टीम भी पूरी खुश है। विराट भी बात कर रहे थे, युवराज के लिए क्या मायने है इस 300 वनडे के, आप क्या एक्सपेक्ट कर रहे हैं इस मैच से?
देखिए, एज आई सेड, इट्स अ बिग अचीवमेंट फॉर मी, बट मैं कुछ स्पेशल नहीं करने जाऊंगा. आई थिंक टीम इज़ मच मोर इम्पोर्टेंट दैन माई 300 गेम. वी नीड टू फोकस ऑन द सेमीफाइनल और क्या हमारे प्लान्स रहेंगे, बिकॉज I think Bangladesh have been playing really well in the tournament, and we want to contribute towards our plans और कैसे हम ये मैच जीतेंगे rather than focusing on my 300 game.
When you look back, you started with Sachin, Saurav, Rahul, all the legends were there, and now you're playing with Virat and also the new guys like Hardik. So, what according to you has been the transformation in Indian cricket that you have seen over these 17 years?
Well, I think there's been a big transformation, learning from our seniors. What we've learned, we try and give it back to the younger guys. And I think in terms of the game has evolved, the fitness levels have evolved. The game has become much more on a faster pace. And I think the guys who are coming in the team are much more fitter. They have much more knowledge about eating. They have much more knowledge about training. And yeah, they're learning quickly because they get exposed to IPL as well, which is a big tournament playing with international cricketers. So game has evolved big time.
What's the biggest quality in you that you really admire?
One at a time.
What's the biggest quality that you admire in yourself for lasting all this 17 years?
I don't know. I think biggest quality in me would be never to give up and keep pushing no matter what obstacles come in your life. And I think that's what I can give to the younger guys is never to back down. Always keep on working the same way, whether you having good time or a bad time, and be persistent and be consistent. Focus on on the process of the game.
यूवी खेलना आसान बिल्कुल नहीं है इंडिया के लिए, लेकिन कमबैक करना बहुत मुश्किल हो जाता है. क्या कहोगे, खेलना और ये करना दोनों?
जी, आई थिंक इंडिया के लिए खेलना इतना मुश्किल नहीं है, बट सस्टेन करना इज़ टफ. सो आई थिंक, एज आई सेड, you need to have determination, never to give up, and believe in yourself. I think belief खुद में बहुत important है, because when things are not going well for you, other people have their opinions. So I think at that time it's very important to believe in yourself that you've done it in the past, and it's a matter of time when you can come and do it again.
यूवी 300 में से अगर आपको 3 ऐसा सबसे यादगार मैच चुनना है तो कौन से मैचेस का?
Definitely 2011 World Cup quarter-final against Australia. My debut against Australia, and I don't know. I
Chennai?
think
This one?
that's not part of the one day.
Yeah. Okay.
I think these two would be most. NetWest final would be another very special game.
Where would you rank Pakistan and Bangladesh in terms of arch rivalry in the recent times?
Well, I think end of the day, you playing an international game, whether you're playing Bangladesh and whether you're playing Pakistan, is the same intensity.
Right.
So I wouldn't say there's any arch rivals. When you're playing an opponent, you go and prepare the same way you would prepare for any game.
Your short term, I'm sure you want to have 301 matches, not just this 300. But what does the long term hold for you, Raj?
I don't know actually. I've just been very blessed to come and play for India again, and I have a lot of blessings of people. And let's see till well I can, as long as I'm performing, I'm doing well. I would like to play, and hopefully a few more years.
Yuvraj, when people look at you, they no longer look at you just as a successful cricketer or a star cricketer. They look at us as a survivor who has battled life and has come back. Are you aware? And what are the responsibilities that you carry?
Well, definitely I would portray as a fighter, and a lot of people can actually get inspired and not to give up in their lives. Cancer is something which I always talk about, and a lot of people have the stigma of cancer. So I think try and motivate a lot of people to come out of it and come back to where they belong.
Yuvraj, you said that what has changed since the last time you played in India in terms of fitness levels and the pace of the game. Coming back this time, do you have to do some different thinking, different motivation perhaps to get a call back? What was your thinking?
Well, I've been
Modulating yourself accordingly.
I've been playing domestic cricket for last 3 years. In last 3 years I didn't play one-day cricket, but I didn't miss any of my domestic games except for my marriage, and that was the reason where I could spend a lot of time on the ground. And I was batting well, I was fielding for 2 days, and it's important as you get older you need to push harder on the field. So I think that's the reason why I was able to come back and play again.
Yuvi, could you talk about how your illness changed your perspective about success in sport?
Well, to attain success depends on long-term and short-term goals. Obviously, long-term is harder, but as I said, over the years, the more experience you get, the harder you gotta work. As older you get, the harder you gotta work. That's what I've learned from my seniors. So I think that's the reason why I'm able to sustain for so many years.
यूवी आपके फाउंडेशन का जो ये यूवी कैन क्या वही है कि यूवी कैन?
Yeah, that is motivation to, you and we together can fight any obstacle. I mean, that was the reason of the charity. And I think that's the reason why I'm here, that we've fought it together and with the wishes of the people.
Thank you. Last one. Anand.
Looking back, if you had 2 pieces of advice, one thing that all young cricketers should do and one thing that they should not do, what would that be?
What they should do is, I think, stick to the process of training hard and harder. And what they should not do is, they should stay away from you guys.
कुछ ऐसा चीज जो अधूरी ख्वाहिश हो जो लगता है युवराज को यार वो भी पूरी होनी चाहिए ओवरऑल करियर में वनडे के अलावा
Sir, ज़िंदगी बच गई हमारी, वो important है, and I'm able to, as I, it's been a blessing for me to come and play for India. I don't want to talk about my regrets when I'm in a good zone, and I'm playing well, and hopefully I can continue it for a few more years.